Can I show you guys the coolest thing ever? Okay, I just learned this the other day. So I've got my liquid foundation. Okay, putting some on my hand. Now I'm going to take my powder puff brush. Okay, watch this. Got some foundation on it. You guys seeing this? Look at how fast that just went. Look, I just did half my face in like 30 seconds. That never happens. Like, am I the only one who's freaking out over here? I think it makes the foundation go further too. I just figured this out the other day because I love the look that, liquid foundation gives you. Got a bristle. The liquid foundation gives you, but it takes me a long time to put it on. I don't have time to do that. This is way faster. Totally doing this now. Who else is loving it besides me?